Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, today, not going to muck around, the first cooking show. So, today's non-refrigerated canned cooking meal is Uncle Ben's rice and spam. Okay, so the spam's $3.65, Uncle Ben's is $2.60. So the whole meal, you're into it for $6.25. Okay, so first of all, let's get the old cooker going. That out of the way. Rightio, she fires straight up. Oh, and after my review video, I tightened up the legs on the bottom here, and so it's a lot more stable, so thumbs up for that. And the little pin that fell out of this little aluminium air stopper screen, I just popped the pin back in, and it's awesome. It's a good little thing. One question I got was it just cheap garbage? Like, was it cardboard that was covered in alfoil or anything? No, this is aluminium, and it's a bloody good thing. Alrighty, so we'll just turn that down a little bit, and grab the Uncle Ben's. Alright, so Uncle Ben's rice, grab a pot. What it says to do, chuck in 60 mils of water. That's about 60 mils, give or take. And then in with the rice. This is actually quite a lot of rice. I reckon this would feed 2 big fellas. Or you and your missus. Or whoever. Woo! Smells like Chinese shop. Smells bloody yummy. Alrighty, so get me a little camp spatula. This big pot I won't be taking camping. I will be buying a small pot with a foldable handle, but I haven't got that one just yet. Rightio. So, as you can see, the rice is already cooked. All you're really doing is heating it up and making it yummy. So, break up the rice, get it cooking. Now you could eat that on your own, on its own. You don't have to make the spam with it. So what I'll do is I'll just turn that right down so we don't burn the arse out of it, and just let it warm through. Leave that on. Now, okay. Now with your spam, what you do, I got the half tin, so you don't end up with too much spam. This is the standard flavoured spam. You can get the one that tastes like bacon, which apparently I've been told is better. So, grab your spam, pop it out. Now the trick with this stuff, I don't know if I can get this a bit lower. About as low as you can get. Alright, the trick with this stuff is to cut it thin and fry it. Just like, I don't know about you guys, but when I was a kid I used to get Devon or Windsor sausage and cut it up and fry it, and it just makes it taste so much better. So you just cut it thin. Chuck this over here. Maybe cut it again down the guts, and that'll be ready for when we get to stage 2. Alright, just be careful that you don't burn the arse out of the pan, or else everything's going to taste like burnt rice. Alrighty, now, so let's have a little taste. It's already soft, it's already hot. Alright, I'm going to chuck this to the side. Now I have got my camp fry pan, the fold up lid, which is a little beauty. Pop that on like so. And oil. Now if I was out on the bike, I'd have my oil in a small bottle, but I don't at the moment. That's alright. Chuck a bit of oil in. Street, that might be a bit much. Get him hot. And it's a non-stick pan too, which just means it's going to be easy for cleaning. Holy screw! Wasn't planning on that. Because this is really thin metal, it just bowed, so just be aware of that. Alright, this was 12 bucks at Big W. Alright, that's hot. In with your Spam. Right. Spitting. In with the Spam. Maybe turn it down again. And yeah, like I say, cook the Spam so it doesn't taste like, what's the word? Shit. There she is, cooking away. Like I say, no refrigeration. How good is that? Stir him around. I'll get back to you in a few seconds when this is cooked. Alrighty, these are cooked on one side. Now we just get in and swing them over. Ooh, look at that, it smells good. Nice, crispy. It's just like having crispy bacon. Alrighty guys, that stuff is good to go. Turn off our little cooker. Get him out of the way. Now, where's our plate? Grab your plate. Chuck on your rice. Ooh, bloody flies. Shoo fly. Alright, chuck on your rice. Yeah, maybe that's just enough for one person. Yeah, I think it is. Alright. Grab your bacon, because we're not calling it Spam, we're calling it bacon now because it's good and crispy. Beautiful. There's my bloody fork. Oh, here it is. Okay, I'm going to do the taste test between raw Spam it's not terrible. I know when I told my missus I was going to be eating Spam, she cringed. That's right. Now, a direct comparison with it cooked crispy. That's bloody delicious. It's just like eating bloody fried Devon or fried Windsor. Okay, let's try the Uncle Ben's rice. Give him a go. Beautiful. Really nice. And the good thing about this stuff is, yeah, it's a little bit more expensive than taking plain old rice, but it's already cooked. So you're just heating it up. It's already got the flavour in it, so you don't have to put salt and pepper and all that bullshit. And rice and crispy bacon. That's bloody good. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da! Mm-mm-mm.